Verifying your Zelle account is essential to ensure secure transactions and access to all features. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download the Zelle app. If you haven't already, download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure to install the official app to avoid any security issues. Step 2. Create an account. Open the app and sign up using your email address or mobile number. You will need to provide some personal information such as your name and bank account details to create your account. Step 3. Link your bank account. Follow the prompts to link your bank account to your Zelle account. This usually involves selecting your bank from a list and entering your online banking credentials for verification. Step 4. Confirm your identity. You may be required to verify your identity through a text message or email confirmation. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email or phone number to complete this step. Step 5. Test your account. Once your account is verified, conduct a small transaction to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Send a small amount to a trusted friend or family member to confirm that your account is fully operational. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your Zelle account and start using it for secure money transfers. Always ensure that your app is updated and your personal information is secure.